All right, so this question has lots of words here, and I'm going to let you read those. But the truth is, if you read all of this and find out what you're being asked to do, you don't need any of that. So you don't need to know what D stands for or V or R. Um, so it's just extra information. If it wasn't there, you could still do this problem. So this is really solving a literal equation. They've given us an equation with more than one variable in it, and they want us to rewrite the equation to represent V in terms of D and R. And so what they mean by that is they want an answer that says V equals something. And if you look at all the answers that you're given, all the choices, they all are V equals something. So we have D equals V times R, and we want to isolate the V. We want to have the V by itself. So I need to get rid of this R. So this is just using opposite operations. I see V times R. So the way I get rid of the R is by dividing by R. And whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side of the equation. So I'm going to divide this side by R, and I'm going to divide this side by R. R over R is just 1. That's going to cancel out. So I just put a line through that. And what I'm left with is D divided by R equals V. So all I have to do is just flip this around, write it like this, and there's your answer. Now, remember, keep in mind that we don't use the division symbol in algebra. I don't want to say never, but you hardly ever see it. So this is how we show division, is by a fraction. So this fraction here represents division. Don't use the division symbol. All right. So hopefully that helped you out. Keep it up and you will master the math.